We had 70 millimeters of rainfall on snow, and a tenant fought it off with nothing but a snow shovel. Last February, we had 70 millimeters of rainfall on snow. It was a mess. I got a call from a contractor friend of mine saying that one of his customers' tenants was shoveling the water out of the basement for 12 hours straight. Can you imagine that? It's the middle of the night, you're exhausted, and the only thing standing between you and your finished basement is a shovel. No pump, no system, just panic and wet boots. I drove over right away. When I got there, the tenant looked drained. He didn't sleep. He had been fighting that water all night long. Thankfully, the rain had stopped and all of his efforts paid off. He managed to save his basement. But obviously, shoveling is not a solution. It's survival. So we installed a primary and battery backup system that will do the shoveling for him. So even if, or more accurately when the power goes out, the pump will keep running. A strong battery backup sump pump system can run for 8 days straight, cycling 4 times per hour, or move about 8,000 gallons of water in one single charge. Now that's a lot of shoveling. This year, when the big rain hits, I bet you he's not dreading it. Instead of hearing shoveling scrape wet boots and his heart pounding, he'll hear the quiet hum of our sump pump system doing the work for him. That's the difference between reacting to a flood and being prepared for one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little story of one of our customers where they managed to save the basement, and now for sure in the future it will remain dry.